Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to watch all the movies on iPhone for free. If you're using any iPhone and you want to watch all the latest movies on your iPhone without any cost, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your App Store, and now I'm going to tell you about some apps which provide free movie service. You have to simply open your App Store. The very first thing I recommend you have to try to check your network connection, that you have a stable and strongest network connection and you're not connected to any kind of VPN. And also check for your storage space, that you have enough storage in your iPhone. Then go to search option here, and the very first app is Just Watch. Just search for Just Watch and you'll get that app here. It is the movie and TV shows provider. You can also watch web series on this app. Every latest movie in every language you will get it on this app. Now for the second app, you have the tab on search option again, and here just simply search for OSN Plus. Just search for OSN Plus, and you'll get that app here. Just open the app, and you can easily install it on your iPhone. It might be the best app for your movies and web series. You can also get all the latest movie on this app in every language. Now for the third app, you have to simply go to search option again, and here the search for Plex. Just search for Plex and you might get the app here. You can see there's this stream live TV channels. So you can get all of the TV channel live here and you can easily install it on your iPhone. The last app is Movie Box. Just simply search for Movie Box and you'll get that app here. Here you can also watch all the movies, TV shows, your web series, and everything you want to. It might available in different languages, so you can easily install it and watch movies in this app. So in this way, you can easily watch the latest movies in free on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.